10 habits that can help you achieve millionaire status. 1. Have an entrepreneurial mindset and seek opportunities to create value and innovate, whether it's in your career or business. 2. Risk management. Take calculated risks and diversify your investments to minimize potential losses. 3. Focus on the long term. Think and plan for the long term. Instead of pursuing instant gratification, think. 4. Goal setting. Clearly define your financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. 5. Continuous learning. Invest in expanding your knowledge and skills to stay relevant. 6. Effective budgeting. Create and stick to a budget to manage spending and save. 7. Smart investing. Research and make informed decisions when investing your money. 8. Time management. Prioritize tasks and allocate time wisely for maximum productivity. 9. Resilience. Bounce back from setbacks with determination and adaptability. 10. Maintain a healthy lifestyle to maintain physical and mental well-being, which will help sustain focus and energy. Keep in mind that achieving wealth requires a combination of factors, including discipline, persistence, and a little luck. Thank you for watching.